So today I'm going to show you how to, in the field, install our adjustable supply hopper baffle. First thing, of course, you're going to need to take off our supply hopper from the machine. This is held on by four nuts. You'll need a 7/16 inch wrench. Remove that and get it down to a comfortable working height. Next, we will want to just get our baffle alone, so we will undo the provided hardware. And this is what we need for the install. Drill with a nice 5/16 bit on it that can go through steel, center punch, and a Sharpie to mark our hole. So what we want to do is, this front always has a little bit of a bow to it, you can see, so I want to push that bend out. Now, the skinny side is the bottom, so I'm going to take the skinny side and slide it into the throat of the supply hopper. I will then take my Sharpie and I'm going to mark where I want to put my carriage bolt. So I want it at the top of the baffle, and I mark it just under the radius, because the way that screw or that carriage bolt is set up, you want it just off the radius. So you can see that there. I'll take this out. You will then use center punch to mark the hole. And I already had one started from before. So then what you'll do is, once you've got your hole marked, you take your drill, you will start it where that center punch was. Clean that up a little bit. Then take our baffle. If you've got a round file or a tool, we do have you can buy a deburr tool. That's probably a good idea, but you can use a round file. But they make these great little deburr tools. This will just clean up that hole. That makes me look real good. Tighten the chuck all the way down. Do that inside and out. We're then going to take our baffle. Baffle goes in on the inside. Our carriage bolt goes in and it sits right into that recessed housing. You then keep your hand on it because you don't want that nut to fall out, the carriage bolt to fall out. Put this on it. Now we are installed and can adjust it. So if I want to adjust it, I can loosen up that handle, and now I can slide this baffle up and down to help control the flow of product.